Alright, so let's get this open. And this is the Optimus Prime truck from the Hot Wheels track fleet. You can see right here, you see this is the Optimus Prime Transformers, and this is the Optimus Prime. In this video you're gonna see why I fell into the trap of hype, or how did I fall in the trap of hype, and how most of the things are not for you. And this video is exactly what it's gonna be. So today we have the Optimus Prime. Let's open it up. Yeah, this is my third take of this video, so bear with me. Okay, so this is the truck itself. Now you can see this is the front of the Optimus Prime, and it is well detailed, even on the sides and on the side. Even the exhaust are well detailed. It has a very good, nice wheels. This is a whole metal thing. This is plastic. You can see plastic here and just some little bit of metal here, right here. Okay, so that it's sturdy enough. So this one was designed by Charlie Angulo, and so this is the depiction of the Optimus Prime's vehicle mode, okay, as portrayed by his original 1984 toy, styled after Freightliner FLT 9664T Class 8 truck. So that is the inspiration that they've gone with, and that's the truck. Okay, it is styled after that. So now this one is in red. In this one, the cabin is the red color, and we have the gray color container with the Transformers logo here. You can see the Transformers logo here as well, right? You don't have the Easter eggs from the Bumblebee, as Bumblebee had this Bumblebee face beneath here, so you don't have that. And this one has DD8 type of wheels, right? So now I'm going to tell you why I didn't like this. So first of all, see, as much as I'm a fan of Optimus Prime and Transformers and the Bumblebee, etc, etc, this one didn't quite appeal a lot to me. All right, and the audience, the users, the collectors have got it, as it looks very brilliant in their collection, and I am sure they are right about it, and I feel they're right about it. But as for me, it does only a very little being in my collection, so that's that. And regardless, I like the design and all the hype. I like the Mac version of the Optimus Prime. Well, that is much more appealing to me. So yeah, and one more thing that I want to share here is 2024 we have got many other cool track fleet options. So I have a few right here. So you can see this is the Volvo Drifter. I love this casting very much. Super simple, super detailed, and the amount of work they have done on this one is brilliant. Okay, I love this one. Apart from this, I also love this unnoticed and underrated casting, that is the Rag Rider rig, the Roger Dodger, and we have also another one. It's a cool one. I'll just post the pictures here and the clips here, and thanks to Sahil for these videos and clips. Thank you, Sahil. So yeah, I like these much better because one of them has a whole open area, keep the cars and get a photo shoot or some videos out of it, and the other one has a container, so you can actually store a car inside. So that's pretty cool. The Volvo here is pretty nice, as I told you, and the Rag Rider rig is awesome. But yeah, this one is just pure this one is for the die-hard fans of Transformers and the ones who want to include this Freightliner Optimus Prime in their collection. And in my case, I am not that user. Okay, so it's just there. I just got it. I had to see through the hype. What was the hype of it? And if this box was anyhow openable, I would have kept it for myself, right? I could have stored a car or two here. At least one car would have been stored here. So that was a cool thing. And to be honest, $499 for any track fleet is way above what they're charging. It could have been under or around 399 or 349 would have been the best price for it. Even 379 is the best price, hands down. I would have got this one, and I would also have recommended you to get this one. But for 499, I think it's you know, a bit of a stretch there. And it's not a disrespect, or I'm not discouraging anyone to not buy this thing. If you really love it, I know you have already gotten it. It has come down to more of a question like, is this for everyone? If you were in a doubt of getting this one, and I hope this video has answered your questions. It has cleared it out. I'm not saying don't buy it. I'm not saying if you have it, get rid of it. It is completely your choice, and for me, it has been a very easy no. Okay, and I was excited when I got it first. Yeah. So after 3 attempts of videos and, you know, looking at it more than enough, for me it is easy to say that yeah, I can be without it. Okay, so that's it from today's video. Hope you like this video and such brutality and what do you say, straightforward and honest videos. Do hit that subscribe button. We are about to hit 500 and soon we'll also cross 500 and hit the 1000 mark. So thank you for watching. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, and spend wisely. That is the motto for 2025. Spend wisely. Okay.